How does K-pop influence graphic design? Well, have you seen their visuals? Their hyperpop and Y2K aesthetics are out of this world. They definitely set the scene for visuals and pop culture around the whole world. Also, their merch is so good. It's always so pretty. I love it. Me as a graphic designer, I am kind of obsessed with K-pop merch. It's beautiful. And I'm not only talking about the K-pop groups. I mean, their fans, these kids, they are designing posters, t-shirt designs, they are making photocards, they are creating insane designs, they are doing big time graphic design, and sometimes they don't even know it, and this is insane. I think it's beautiful because you know what, I rest my case on how graphic design can be fun. Take K-pop stans. They are having quite fun experimenting with graphic design. Anyways, I have a fan who is like the biggest K-pop stan I know, and I'm gonna design a photocard for her as if she was part of a K-pop girl group, you know, because again, today I just want to have fun and I thought it would be cute. It's like a cute, you know, friendship gift idea. I'm going to call Duda. Yes, she has the same name as me and the same last name, which is weird and crazy. But anyways, I'm just going to like interrogate her about K-pop. Hi, girl.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm good. Okay, so I have a question. If you were part of a K-pop group, which one would it be?
That's a weird question.
I know it.
I love the Seraphim, but it would totally be Twice.
Twice. Oh my god, I love Twice. Okay. All right, fun. See ya. Okay, so first things first. We need to know the size of a photocard. Let's Google it. Well, here it says 54 by 86 millimeters, which in inches is, well, I have no clue. Okay, let's input the size here. For the sake of US viewers, in inches is 2.13 by 3.39, by the way. You see, I'm gonna resize it later though, because I was having a little bit of trouble by how small it was, which is totally normal, especially when you're dealing with raster files, which are pixelated. Now let's find the mask. I love this shape. We're going back to the mask later, but right now let's embrace the Y2K aesthetic and use a gradient in the background. Instead of spending ages working on a gradient, I'm just going to click text, scroll all the way down and choose a pre-made gradient. This Y2K one is just perfect, right? On theme. Anyways, what I was going to say about the masks is the whole point of a photocard is having a photo on a card, right? To be honest, you can leave this space empty, maybe put a basic shape in the center so you know where to cut later if you want to actually print it, and you are free to use whatever photo you want. But just to be practical, I'm going to put a mask and just put my image inside the mask later. This is me resizing the artboard, by the way, because yeah, the strokes were just a little too thick. Anyways, I was not going to settle for the gradient only being in the background, so I'm using for the text as well. I mean, this is Y2K, baby. Since Duda said Twice, I'm going to write feel special because I want her to feel special, and it's also one of Twice's biggest hit, I think. Like, I love this song, not gonna lie, the song slaps. I'm not the biggest K-pop stan in the world, but that's because I'm quite lazy to keep up with the K-pop world. Like, it's too entertaining. There's so much going on. But the music slaps. I really listen to some songs, especially girl groups. I'm into that. Like Twice, New Jeans, Stacy. Oh my god, I love their aesthetic, by the way. Like Ivy, you know, I'm into girl groups. So a lot of people personalize their own photo cards with stickers, and I wanted to actually bring that feeling into the design, you know, that handmade feeling. So what I did is I selected some cute illustrations. So you're gonna notice that in a lot of the elements I put a white stroke to just kind of like give that sticker resemblance. And I definitely wanted to keep the color palette here the same as the background, so everything kind of pastel colors. Pink, blue, like purple. Cute. That's adorable. I absolutely adore the teddy bear illustration. It's my favorite. Ooh, this chrome butterfly. This is Y2K vibes. We need to add that for sure. Like a 3D element to kind of like pop among the rest. I live for it. Now I'm adding a white blurred background shadow because I see that a lot in Y2K references as well. It doesn't need to be white, but it could be like any color, but you know, white matches the design and it just looks cool. Now, last thing, I'm just going to add 2 urban shape elements at the corners. And yeah, it looks so cool. This is our photo card, you guys. I love it. Now let's add a Duda selfie because it's her photo card. I chose this one. She's so pretty. Oh my god, it's her. Well, she told me once photo cards, they need to be selfies. So I chose this random pic she snapped me. And I think it's cute. It's like idol material. And for the back, just like simple and plain Duda. It's just so funny that we have the same name. It's like I'm talking about myself. So this is the Duda photo card. I don't want to show it like too close up because I printed this at home, so it's not like the best quality ever. Also, I'm not the best at craft, okay? This is not my best work when it comes to like cutting things. I don't want to like show it in details, but it's the design I made, you know, it's cute. She's cute. Here in the back just says Duda. Okay. The teddy bear, that's adorable. Also, I know the corners are supposed to be round, but like don't come at me because I don't have the motor skill high enough to do that. So let's pretend it's round. I know photo cards are supposed to have round corners. Mine is a special photo card for my friend Duda. Again. Okay, so I have something to show you.
What is it?
A Duda photo card.
Oh my god!
I know.
Photo card!
So cute. The teddy bear. It says feel special because you're in Twice, girl.
Love it!
And then it says Duda. I know. So cute.
God,
I'm going to keep it on my wallet because you're my idol.
you're so cute. I love you.
Love you. Okay, bye. Talk to you later.
Bye bye. Talk to you later.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to make the Duda photo card available in Kittl so you can personalize for your own idol. Of course, not the Duda photo card because that'll be weird. You can personalize for your idol. You can, you know, put your friend, give it to your friend as a cute friendship gift. You can put, I don't know, your girlfriend, your boyfriend, your mother, your siblings, like whatever. So yeah, if you haven't signed up for Kittl, don't forget to check out the link in the description to start designing not only photo cards, but whatever you want. The possibilities are infinite. Check out the link in the description. And this video was a gentle reminder to have fun sometimes. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!